Morning and very warm welcome to you all. The theme of this session is IP policy and strategy for optimizing economic value. The very word optimizing means trade-off, balancing between the various choices available. And when you make these choices, either the economic value of IP will go down or go up. It's an iterative process, but a lot of experience around here will share with you what is the trick of balancing and how do you optimize the value of your IP. There are many choices to be made in different fields when it comes to IP creation, whether you would like to create IP in-house, partly in-house, co-innovation, open innovation. These are the various choices for creating your IPs. How do you balance between the various choices? The second area could be IP acquiring. Whether you would like to keep it trade secrets, whether you would like to patent it, whether you would like to offer it free to the world, without protecting it. That is the choice that you have to make. Whether you would like to patent it, whether you would like to use it trademark like what Anasin did. He patented, during the patent life, made this as a good trademark and survived for longer period. Now these are the various strategies and the choices to be made, and it's an evolution process. And that is why we have a lot of experience around us who will be speaking their experiences in different areas. The another area is essentially whether you would like to keep it, the IP for yourself, that is exclusivity, or whether you would like to do the licensing, or whether you would like to have the mix of this one. Like yesterday's one of the speakers said that whether you would like to do the carpet bombing or whether you would like to do the cherry picking, that means whether you would like to patent or protect each and everything that you create, or whether you would like to be selective in making the choices there. Now, I am not going to list down all the choices. I am leaving it to my panelists to speak a lot about it. We have 4 panelists and we have about 90 minutes. Still, I would like to give 15 minutes to each. I will be flagging at the end of the 10 minutes so that you can cover up the rest of your speech or whatever you would like to spare in 5 minutes. I also request each panelist to have their space to introduce themselves, what is their field of work, what they would like to do, what they are doing it, their background, and they can take 2 to 3 minutes to introduce themselves. And at the end of this session, we will have question answers, and fairly we will have about 10 to 15 minutes. With this, I request Mr. Drussel to start his presentation. Thank you very much.